Black Smoke Shenron and the Shadow Dragons from Dragon Ball GT. So start here with Naturon Shenron, the smallest Shadow Dragon, and his final beast form, which is the largest one. Naturon Shenron, beast mode. And here we have the girl, Oceanus Shenron, and his true form, her true form, or his. So this one is her true form. And now we go to Nova Shenron, the red one, and his final form, the golden Nova Shenron. And the next one is his twin brother, is Ace Shenron. And we go here, Rage Shenron, and his final beast form. Now we go here. I forgot his name. Forgot his name. And of course, we have here our heroes: SS4, SSJ4 Goku, and SSJ4 Vegeta, and SSJ4 Gogeta. And here we have Omega Shenron. And of course, Black Smoke Shenron. So that's it for Black Smoke Shenron and the Shadow Dragons.